It's time to learn Unit 4. Welcome to the RTS e-guru. You will learn Unit 4. Unit 4 में असली pronouncing is a beautiful day, isn't it? मैंने टैग क्वेश्चन को pronouncing आई weather के बारे में pronouncing the weather के बारे में से किए बताए. In this unit, you will learn the following: how to start a conversation. Here are the words you will learn to use. ये वर्ड सीखवाता हूँ यूनिट में सीखंदा ऐं इस्तेमाल कंदा. Aren't, baby, beautiful, called, cute, day, does, doesn't, do, don't, fast, fit, good, great, hot, isn't, lovely, mine, not, plan, play, runs, seat, sit, shoes, you, well, wet, what, yours. So these words you have to memorize and practice. Then here are some phrases you will learn to use. Looks good. It's all right. Here are some sentences you will practice. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Are you Jim Benson? You are Jim Benson, aren't you? This is my seat, isn't it? These are your books, aren't they? Is this your book? Is this your? Is this your? He runs fast, doesn't he? Those shoes don't fit, do they? Grammar tips. The new structure in this unit are possessive pronouns and question tags. I already told you about that. You are, you're not, aren't. Excuse me, are you Jim Benson? Yes, I am. Excuse me, are you Jim Barron? No, I'm not. Excuse me, you are Jim Benson, aren't you? Yes, I am. Excuse me, you are Jim Barron, aren't you? No, I'm not. Excuse me, is your name Jim Benson? Yes, it is. Excuse me, your name's Jim Benson, isn't it? Yes, it is. Hello, you are Jim Barron? Yes, I am. And you are Jim? I'm Jim Benson. They are. They are. This is your book, isn't it? Yes, it is. This is your pen, isn't it? No, it's not. Are these your books? Aren't they? Yes, they are. Is your father? He is your father, isn't he? Yes, he is. She's your mother, isn't she? Yes, she is. They are your children, aren't they? Yes, they are. They are not. That is not your book, isn't it? No, it's not. It's Tom's book. That is your book, isn't it? Yes, it is. This, that's your son, isn't it? Yes, it is. That's not your son, is it? Yes, it is. Is this yours? Yes, thank you. Thank. Is this yours? Is this yours? Isn't it? Yes, it's mine. Thank you. Now make with this a seat. Is this isn't yours, isn't it? Yes, it is. Thank you. This is my seat, isn't it? Please. Yes. Sit, please. Please sit here. Okay, both are the responses you can say. Now make sentences with given pictures and use it's. It's a beautiful day. It's wet day. It's hot day. It's cold day. It's party. It's a lovely view. It's a good camera. It's a cute baby. Isn't it? Now that question with picture 9. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Yes, it is. Now your turn with picture 10 and 11. Okay, you can also comment your answer in the comment section. Picture 10, picture 11. Picture 12. Picture 13. Picture 14. Does not, doesn't. He runs fast, doesn't he? Yes, he does. Picture 2. It looks good, doesn't it? Yes, it does. Picture 3. Yes, they do. They play well, don't they? Yes, they do. No, they don't. Picture 4. You look like your brother, don't you? Yes, I do. Picture 5. Those shoes don't fit, do they? No, they don't. This camera doesn't work, does it? No, it doesn't. Picture 1. Your turn. She. She runs fast, isn't she? Yes, she does. Now you do picture 2. Next sentence with picture 3. Next sentence with picture 4. Next sentence with picture 5. Next sentence with picture 6. Handsome family. Excuse me, picture 2. Excuse me. I'm sorry. It's alright. Picture 3. You're Tom, aren't you? Yes, I am. I'm Ben. Hello, Ben. Good to meet you. Picture 5. It's a good party, isn't it? Ah, yes, it is. Picture 6. Are you Judy's brother? No, I'm not. So, here's your unit over. Now you have to repeat the all once again, and it's your turn to repeat. Okay, I'm taking you at the top. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6, picture 7, picture 8. They are. They are. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6, picture 7, picture 8. Read picture 9. Read picture 6. Read picture 10. Read picture 1. Make a sentence with picture 2. Read picture 3. Make sentence with picture 4. Read picture 5. Picture 7. Now use it with picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6, picture 7, picture 8. Isn't it? Yes, it is. Picture 9. Next sentence with picture 10. Next sentence with picture 11. Next sentence with picture 12. Next sentence with picture 13. Next sentence with picture 14. Does not. Read picture 1. Read picture 2. Read picture 3. Read picture 4. Read picture 5. Read picture 6. Read now next sentence with picture 1. Picture 2. Picture 3. Picture 4. Picture 5. Picture 6. Ransom family. Read picture 2. Picture 3. Picture 4. Picture 5. And picture 6. Here is your unit. Repeat it again and again to make your speaking perfect. Okay? Have a good day. See you in the next video.